and welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm actually talking about a stock that had a good run on Friday. It went up 18%, and after hours it went up 3%, 3.31% to be exact. And the company is called SYRS Pharmaceutical, and the ticker for that is SYRS. Now, usually I like these pharmaceutical stocks is because generally they're working on different drugs, and then when the drug moves to different phases, there's a lot of opportunity and there's a window there to make money, right? So let's talk about this company. So they have different drugs right now in their pipeline, and two of these drugs, which is sort of within the same area, are in trial phases right now, okay? And they work on a cancer drug and a monogenic diseases. And there are two of the other drugs, SY2101, SY5609. They are in different phases, and which they're going to have different phases coming in 2022, and then also phase 3 for SY2101 in 2023. Now, as far as the market cap for the company is about 75 million. 52-week high, it's $7, and the lowest I got is $86. The daily volume on an average they trade is about 698,000, which is a good volume. You know, it's not like you want a stock and you won't be able to sell it back. On Friday end of day, they traded about 2.3 million. Institutional banks, look at this. They hold about 82% of the company. The ownership is 82.54% to be exact. Increased position. 40 of these firms increased their position by 2.7 million. 52 of them sold out of their position, put 2.1 million, which means they're slightly more increased than they decreased, okay? And the total institutional shares, they hold about 51 million, and that is consisting of 110 firms combined. These institutional banks, six of these institutional banks have indicated, their analysts indicated this is a strong buy, and they think average price should be around $16.83. Highest it could get to 23, and the lowest it could get to $9. But we saw that the lowest it's in pennies right now. So these institutional analysts generally have a very vague idea on the strong buy, and all that. So I usually just take it as a grain of salt and just make your own decision on the charts. And after hours, as we said, as we discussed, right after hours, the stock was up 3.31%. And the volume that was traded after that was 48,000, which is a good number. Short interest on the stock is about 6.74% as a retail investor perspective, but institutionals are shorting the stock about 59%, and that was 900,000 shares were shorted, and about 2.25 days to cover the short. So let's look at the chart, okay? There are a couple of there's one resistance retested from past few weeks, $1.29. It touched that resistance and it came down again, and a lot of seller came in, and they, you see a long wick here because a lot of seller came in. They did not let the price close in to that level, and they brought it down, and now you have different buyers come in and make the purchases. Now, so there's different indicators that are showing me that the stock is going to rise when the market is going to open on tomorrow, Monday, and it's going to be a good opportunity for first 30 minutes for anybody to start looking into the stock and see if you want to, get in and get out of that position. The EMA is definitely shooting up right now. RSI, however, is above 70. Usually what happens is if something is above 70, usually it doesn't sustain that. It has to come down. So I would consider this as a weakness. And MACD is saying the stock is going to go up. It may come down a little bit and then it could shoot up again. But definitely, there's a resistance here. So if it crosses that resistance, you're looking at the stock to go up to at least another 20 cents. Institutional banks hold a majority of the stocks, and they're manipulating the stock price. Their analysts think the stock is about $6 average, should be $6 average. They do have a lot of drugs coming up, and the trial drugs that they were having, the catalyst was showing good signs. The drug is going to be successful. But I would definitely consider adding this to your watch list. Again, I cannot recommend you to buy, hold, or sell. This is not a financial advice. This is just me giving you the facts that I see here, and then you can make your own decision. But Monday, first 30 minutes should be a good indication. It's something that anybody could take a look and potentially start making money on that. But yeah, that was my video for today. If you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. It keeps me motivated. The overall objective here is to find information, bring it out to you, and if you're looking to buy a stock, and you can make that better decision. So, all right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.